Now that you guys are here, ready to go for a hike?
You know I'm ready.
Yeah. It's be a good hike, guys.
It is.
Wait, where are we going?
I'm going to the abandoned zoo.
I'll abandon her zoo.
Shut up. That's stupid. That doesn't make sense to me.
What?
You want to put animals in her zoo, not abandon it.
You want to inhabit her zoo. Oh shit, look at that bird.
It's got a big old snake in its mouth.
Oh, dude, what's that? Like, keep filming the fucking snake.
Grow up. Grow up.
Really? You gotta stop.
Really?
That's the second time today.
You all right? How you holding up, Jenny from the block?
Oh, what did I get?
Oh, shit!
Really?
Yeah,
You pooed yourself!
They're
There's
gonna
poo!
fucking go upwind from us. And
That's
fart.
not the joke! You don't poo!
You kissed your mother with that turd cutter?
That's child behavior.
That's it! You pooed!